Welcome. Subscribe Qasim Malik channel and click on bell icon to see the latest videos on my channel. Here is the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus and S9. In this video you can see all colors clearly. Now you can select your favorite color with the help of this video. This color name is purple, lilac purple. This is S9 and this color name is midnight black. I like this. Comment what you like, and this color is titanium gray. Now you can see all three colors clearly in this video. Now I can show more clearly the color of all these sets. Now this is midnight black. You can see from everywhere midnight black. I like it. Comment what you like. And the second one is titanium gray, and the third one is lilac purple. Friends, thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for more new videos, and if you would like to see the unboxing of S9 and S9 Plus, the link is in the description and you can see this video at the end. This color is lilac purple. It is new and whole new color, but the black is black. I like it. Thank you for watching. Click on
थैंक यू
other videos
गाइस।
and subscribe my
जो आपके
channel.
राइट और लेफ्ट पे वीडियोस आ रही हैं आप ये भी देख
Bye-bye.
सकते हैं, और चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिएगा। थैंक यू वेरी मच। अल्लाह हाफिज़।